welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing a travel survival makeup tutorial. As you can see, I am in Spain right now and I decided to do a makeup tutorials on all the makeup that I brought traveling. So if you guys wanted to see it, then please keep watching. So first I have this Victoria's Secret bag right here, and I have all my makeup products right here. So let's begin the application. First, I am going to use this Molecular Olive Innovation. This is hydrating facial mist. Every time you go travel, as far as I know, is that you can bring any below 100 ml products on your pouch. I'm gonna use this anti-aging moisturizer. This will just moisturize your face. So this is in 15 ml. Today I'm going to use my Benefit Browsings in shade number 3, and I really love using this one because this is travel friendly. It is just so tiny and has a mirror in it, so I can use this one. And I will use it to apply on my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline Dior concealer. I don't wear any foundation or heavy stuff because I just want to make sure that I still look like natural as possible. So I just put some concealer on the under eye circles. Next, I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Strobing Stick Highlighter Cream and just apply on the highlights area of my face. Next, I'm going to use my Gigi Hadid Eye Contour Palette. Most of the time when I'm traveling, I always bring this 2 blending brush with me because this blending brush is important every time I do a basic eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush and just apply this shade right here. It's like a medium brown. Next, I'm going to use this peach pink color right here. It's called Nolita Warm, and just apply it on underneath the crease to give more definition. On the outer corner, I'm just gonna apply this shade right here. This is the darkest shade. This is called Bowery Warm. Using this small blending brush, just apply it on the outer corner. Also on the outer corner of the lash line. Now let's move on the mascara. I'm going to use this Gigi Hadid Fiber Mascara and just apply it on my lashes. Next, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo. This is a powder bronzer with a highlighter, and on the other side is with a mirror and a brush provided with it. That's why I really like bringing this one on my travel, and because it's very convenient and it's easy to carry, and it's already have a bronzer and a highlighter. So I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit of amount of it and just tap it. And using the mirror, I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit of contour. also the highlighter. Using the blending brush earlier, I'm just gonna apply this highlighter and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Lastly, I'm going to use my MAC lip liner in Morning Coffee. I really like this shade because it has this super nice radiant nude on my lips. And on top of that, I'm just gonna use this lipstick